Holly, and I am back, and today I'm going to be opening up my KnitCrate. Actually, I'm opening up 2 KnitCrates, and I'll tell you why. With all my moving from Texas to Michigan, some stuff, you know, the mail, I don't know why my nose is itchy all of a sudden, but I'm just going to be doing this, so there we go. Okay. The mail got all messed up, so I actually got September's crate and then got October's crate, which I know it's November now, but this is one curl. It's like way out here. What the heck? Oh, well, sorry, guys. Trying something new with my curly hair. But anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and open up both September and October's crate today here on the channel. If you do not know what KnitCrate is, have you been living under a rock? No, I'm just kidding. It is a subscription yarn box. They have the membership box, the membership crate, they have the sock crate, and then they have the Malabrigo crate. I believe the membership and the sock are monthly, and I believe the Malabrigo is quarterly, but it might be different. The sock crate is exactly what you would think it is. You get 2 skeins, or is it 1 skein? Maybe it's 1 skein of sock yarn every month. And the membership crate changes. That's the crate I get. Some months I get fingering weight. I'll get DK. I've gotten worsted. I've gotten bulky. I've got super bulky. So it changes every month. You don't know what you're going to get. And usually there's 3 colors. You can go in and pick like your color set. Like I like this kind of colors or this kind of. I just let it be random. I just want it to be random. I want to get whatever I get. Some months I get stuff I don't really like. And in which case I give that away either on the channel or to friends or people I know would like it. But a lot of months I get stuff I really love. And amazing. I've got some great yarns. If you use my link, which should be down in the description box, if you've never done this before, use my link and my code pineapple20, all uppercase, and get 20% off your first box. It is so awesome. So without delay, let's get to opening. Now there's always yarn. There's 2 skeins of yarn. And usually like a little paper with a code on it that you can go online and get the patterns, because there's always patterns. And then also there's usually like an extra. So September's actually came in the KnitCrate box. This is what they used to come in all the time. Now they don't. They come in the bags. And I got to be careful because I cut the top of October's, but I don't want to see it yet. October's came in a bag. So September's, here's September's. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And you guys can tell me what I got. Can they see the yarn? Okay. There's this paper. I can't see anything. Star's helping here.
It's beautiful.
Okay, now I'm going to see. Ooh. Wow. That is like a burnt piece of paper. Like, it's coming off more orange on there, but it's definitely a ready orange. Oh, so pretty. It is the Vitellana Dusk by KnitCrate. Oh, I cannot say the name, but it is 60% Haiku alpaca, 40% Surrey alpaca. It's DK. Wait, I'm going to put the card up there. You can see, let me see if I can get it to focus on it. Sorry, Bella's being mean today. I don't know if that focused. Oh, it's so pretty.
I'll take that.
Yeah, it starts. I'll take that. And then Zombies Beware. I'm yarned and dangerous. Oh, I dropped it. Patch to put on something. That's adorable. My nail polish is chipping off, guys. Sorry. But anyways, isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And I got 2 of these. Gosh, I could make like, oh, I don't know what I'd make with it, to be honest, because it's that alpaca, and alpaca is super drapey. You don't want to make anything like super structured with it. Oh, but it's beautiful. This would make a gorgeous shawl, wouldn't it, Star? Somebody needs something for Christmas. Star loves these colors. So that is my September crate. And here was the inspiration. Night of the Living Yarn. Oh my gosh, so cute. And so, okay. So here it is. Here was this. These ones over here were the colors we could have got. I obviously got that color. And then over here was the sock yarn. Let me cover the code. These are the patterns that come with it. You get a knit and a crochet item and a knit and crochet sock. So when you scan this little barcode, I will be able to look at those.
I want the hat.
The hat might actually be pretty sweet. All right, we're going to talk about that later. So that was October's crate, or I'm sorry, September's crate. I'll be looking for that later, Star. And now we're going to do October's. I'm super excited about this. I don't remember what the things are, so I'm just going to kind of hold it like this and look away. Can you see what color it is? Can they see? Okay. I'm going to pull out the paper first. Okay, so here are the colors we could have gotten. I could have got any of these 3 colors over here. Oh, the code, sorry. These 3 here, and then these were the sock colors. These are your patterns. And October's was Fiber Feast. That's so pretty, actually. Okay, let's see. Ooh! I got the orange. Gosh, you guys, I'm so into tweed yarn right now. Look at that. I love it. Okay, so this is the Vitalana Tweedy Sheep by KnitCrate. It is the pumpkin spice everything colorway. Who doesn't love pumpkin spice everything? It is 90% wool, 10% Donegal neps. It's an Aran weight. Oh, this is so nice, you guys. Look at that. Okay, what was the other colors we could have got? Green or like a purple. I think I like the orange. This is very fall-y. I want to make myself like, I don't know, a cowl and a hat. That'd be cute, wouldn't it? Okay, well, let's see what came as my extra, because I didn't get that out yet. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's a little notepad. And it says, my project ingredients. So you could put like what all you used in your project. That's so cute. I don't know that I'll use it, but it is adorable. And maybe I'll find somebody who will use it. So, where's those other 2 skeins? Hand them to me, pumpkin pie.
What other skeins?
What other skeins, she says. She's a bad kid, guys. So,
I love those.
September I got these. October I got these. They're so pretty. And I'm looking forward to the November crate. I'm so super excited, you guys. Oh, this is a good colors together, but this is like an Aran and this is a DK. This is super soft. This isn't as soft, but it is still very soft. It's not coarse by any means. So pretty. So if you guys have not tried KnitCrate and you like getting a surprise every month, I highly suggest it. Please go and try it out. Like I said, you can use my code pineapple20 to get 20% off your first box. And my link is in the description box. And if for some reason it is not in my description box, it's because of the way I'm uploading the videos. And just go back to one of my other KnitCrate unboxing videos and use that link because it's definitely there. I'm still working on a new system here. So, but hopefully it is. Yes, it's so pretty, isn't it? I love it, you guys. I'm going to get out of here. I'll see you guys later. And let me know what you got in your KnitCrate down below if you already got your KnitCrates. Bye.